Welcome back to the Vineyard. Today is a spray day. Drop the device. Get away from that keyboard. Step outside into shred world. We spray these vines regularly during the season, mostly for fungal diseases. But I'm not going to talk much about what we use and when we use it. Those things are specific to a vineyard's location and the type of vines you're growing. Instead, I'm going to talk about how to mix and apply sprays using a pump sprayer. These Rieslings were sprayed just 7 days ago. The shoots have grown 4 or 5 inches since then, and rain is predicted for tomorrow. We want to protect the new clusters from powdery mildew by spraying them with wettable sulfur. We're using a 2-gallon hand pump sprayer. There are smaller and larger tank sizes available, but remember, each gallon of water weighs more than 8 pounds. For whatever we're using in our sprayer, we mix powders and dilute liquids exactly the same way. We've marked the outside of the container to indicate the 1 and 2 gallon levels. We add water first until the container is 1/3 to 1/2 full. Then we add the proper amount of whatever chemical we're using, in this case, wettable sulfur powder. We wear appropriate protective clothing and pay attention to the wind direction. We close the tank, then shake or stir well to mix thoroughly. Then we add the rest of the water and mix again. Once the tank is pressurized, you can begin spraying. We've selected the tip for the sprayer that will produce a wide, fan-like spray. You need to spray the tops and bottoms of the leaves, and also any trunks and arms. Most manufacturers suggest spraying thoroughly to the point of runoff. This becomes harder to do as the season progresses and the canopy becomes thicker. You should pump up the tank frequently to maintain a forceful flow. Pay attention to the wind direction to limit drift and exposure. Once spraying is complete, you need to thoroughly clean the tank to remove any chemical residue. We sprayed sulfur on Rieslings today. Any residue left in the tank would harm our Chambersons if we sprayed them without cleaning it out first. First, clean the tank by adding water and swirling vigorously. Pour the water out and repeat 2 or 3 times. Then add water and pump up the tank to clean the hose and spray nozzle. The nozzle makes a different sound when the chemicals are gone and just water is coming out. Empty the tank and attach the top. It's ready to be stored until the next time you need it. With careful use, you can make your sprays just as effective with a pump sprayer as you could with a more expensive model. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by clicking the thumbs up and subscribe buttons down below. Clicking thumbs up means you like a particular video, and clicking subscribe means you like the content of a particular channel. Both of these features are free. There's no charge to like or subscribe.